Abithaa ugima wa mwiri wa muingi kaunti-ini ya Trans Nzoia ni mambitie uthuthuria wa gutwiria mundu umwe uria waingirite bururi-ini wa Kenya gwetha urigitani ari na ndariri cia ndwari irehetwo ni virus ya Marburg. Abithaa aya maugite Marburg ihanaine na Ebola neri no huthu wa gutamba na kuuraga mundu narua ota Ebola makiria ni undu wa kura thakame kuma ciega-ini itiganite cia mwiri.
And what we are doing now is we are line listing the contacts. You see, everybody who has come in contact with that suspected case, because so far we have not confirmed. We've taken samples to kemri.
Ginyagia riu andu eri ni makuite ni virus ino ya Marburg bururi-ini wa Uganda gugitigirwo murimu uyu ndukae gutherema guku bururi-ini. Ona gukiri oguo Abithaa ya maugite ginyagia riu gutire ripoti ingite ino igwikite guku bururi-ini.
We are aiming at reducing any risk of transmission from human to human. Then we are following some vital leads through other stakeholders, the provincial, the Ministry of Coordination, the provincial administrators, the police. They are really helping much.
Mathaa manini thutha wa mundu kunyitwo ni virus ino onanagia ndariri cia kura thakame kuma ciega itiganite cia mwiri ta matu, kanua na maitho, kuigua rugari mukiru, kuinaina, gutahika o undu umwe na kuharwo. Niguo kuhurana na gutamba kwa murimu uyu muingi wagiriirwo ni gwithema kuhuthira cindano huthire ni mundu ungi, gwithamba moko thutha wa kuhutania na mundu ungi, kuiga murwaru wa Marburg keheri-ini, gutegiko na dawa cia murwaru na njira iria yagiriire gatagati ka mangi. Murimu uyu ungimenyekana narua no urigitwo. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, getwo Karo Kenyugo Mwaura.